Here's a clear comparison of two software platforms. An AI voice continues from here.
Varianse delivers a feature-driven trading environment built specifically around execution quality and institutional-grade infrastructure. Core features include a true ECN model that aggregates pricing from more than 20 liquidity providers, including Tier 1 banks and non-bank institutions, giving traders access to deep liquidity and highly competitive market pricing. The platform supports ultra-tight spreads that can reach 0 pips on major Forex pairs during high liquidity sessions, combined with low latency execution and deep market depth visibility. These features are especially valuable for scalpers, day traders, and algorithmic strategies that depend on precision fills, minimal slippage, and consistent execution under fast market conditions. From a trading functionality perspective, Varianse is clearly designed for professional use cases. Traders have access to advanced order types, expert advisor compatibility, and systematic trading support without artificial restrictions. Full market depth allows traders to see liquidity beyond the top of the book, while fixed API access on higher tiers enables direct connectivity for institutions, prop-style traders, and high-volume strategies. Educational and analytical resources at Varianse are designed to complement this execution-first approach. Instead of generic trading tutorials, the content focuses on practical topics such as spread behavior, execution mechanics, transaction cost analysis, and how liquidity impacts real-world trading outcomes. This makes the platform well-suited for traders who already understand the basics and want to refine performance. Beginners can still use the platform, but they should expect a steeper learning curve compared to brokers built around mass market onboarding. Varianse was established in 2015 by former engineers and traders from leading Tier 1 banks, with the goal of making institutional grade execution and pricing available to a wider range of traders. Since launch, it has expanded to serve clients in more than 100 countries and positioned itself as a specialist broker focused on technology, liquidity sourcing, and execution transparency rather than size alone. Only after understanding these features does the account structure become relevant. Varianse offers 3 main account types: Classic, ECN Pro, and Prime. The Classic account is designed for accessibility, offering a straightforward trading setup for lower volume traders. The ECN Pro account is built for active and professional traders, providing raw spreads, full market depth, and advanced execution tools. The Prime account targets high net worth and institutional traders with customized liquidity, negotiable conditions, and significantly higher entry requirements. Leverage can go up to 1 to 500 depending on region, and minimum deposits scale across tiers from relatively low on Classic to substantially higher on Prime. Overall, Variance's structure rewards execution discipline, trading volume, and professional style strategies rather than casual or purely experimental trading. FXPIG positions itself as a trader-focused broker with a strong emphasis on flexibility, execution freedom, and support for advanced trading styles rather than restrictive trading conditions. The platform supports a wide range of instruments including Forex, indices, commodities, equities, and cryptocurrencies, and is designed to accommodate discretionary traders, scalpers, and algorithmic systems alike. One of FXPIG's standout features is its open trading environment. Expert advisors are fully allowed, scalping is permitted without time or distance restrictions, and there are no artificial limits placed on trading strategies, making it appealing for traders who value execution freedom over marketing incentives. Platform support is broad, with access to MT4, MT5, CTrader, and FXPIG depending on account tier. This allows traders to choose between classic manual execution, advanced charting, or institutional style connectivity for automated systems. FXPIG also supports multiple base currencies and offers relatively flexible leverage options depending on jurisdiction. Risk management tools are standard, and order execution is designed to handle fast-moving markets without excessive intervention. The upside here is flexibility and platform choice. The downside is that the experience can feel inconsistent across regions, and traders must carefully understand the account structure to avoid mismatched expectations. FXPIG has been operating for several years and has positioned itself as a boutique-style broker rather than a mass-market platform. Its growth strategy has focused on flexibility, trader autonomy, and catering to technically oriented users instead of aggressive promotions or simplified onboarding. This gives FXPIG a more niche identity, appealing to traders who know exactly what they want from their broker, while potentially alienating those who prefer guided experiences or simplified account structures. Once the feature set is clear, FXPIG's account structure becomes easier to evaluate. The broker offers three main account types: Standard, Premier, and Pro. The Standard account is designed for smaller traders, offering access to all major platforms with a relatively low minimum deposit and spread-based pricing. The Premier account targets more active traders, featuring tighter spreads, lower commissions, and higher minimum funding requirements. The Pro account is built for high volume and professional traders, offering raw spreads, the lowest commission rates, institutional style execution, and significantly higher minimum deposits. Across all account types, FXPIG allows expert advisors and scalping, with commissions and spreads scaling down as account size increases. Looking at public feedback, Varianse currently holds a Trustpilot rating of 4.4. Customers frequently mention smooth account setup, strong execution quality, and responsive support, with positive comments around transparency and ease of use. Some criticism focuses on currency conversion costs and the platform being more suitable for experienced traders. FXPIG holds a Trustpilot rating of 3.2. Reviews are mixed. Positive comments often highlight customer service quality, execution freedom, and platform flexibility. Negative feedback tends to focus on spreads during certain market conditions, regulatory concerns raised by cautious traders, and inconsistent experiences depending on region. Final takeaway: if your priority is institutional grade execution, deep liquidity, and transparent ECM pricing with a technology-first mindset, Varianse stands out as a disciplined, execution-focused broker for serious traders. If you value trading freedom, platform flexibility, and fewer strategy restrictions, FXPIG offers a more open trading environment, but requires careful evaluation due to mixed user feedback and higher variability in experience. If this breakdown helped you trade smarter, hit like, subscribe for more honest broker comparisons, and click the link below to access the platform that actually fits how you trade, manage risk, and scale with confidence.